In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade neem leaf tea. Neem leaf is a wonderful tea because it has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and healing properties, which will help you if you have ulcer, will help to balance blood sugar, good if you have allergy, cold and flu, and also good for your skin and hair. So let's make this tea. So to make neem leaf tea, you will need fresh neem leaf or powdered neem leaf. So I'll be using fresh neem leaf. So I'm going to pluck the leaves, then wash it to remove any dirty and to avoid contaminating the tea. Neem leaf is a medicinal plant that has a lot of health benefits. It also has compounds like antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and it has wood healing properties. So this is a wonderful tea that you will need if you want a healthy hair, skin, teeth, liver, and kidney. So when I'm done washing, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water into the pot. I'll allow the water to boil. When the water has boiled, I'm going to be adding the washed neem leaves. So I'll allow this to cook for about 3 or 5 minutes, then turn off the heat and strain to get the tea. Neem tea is rich in antioxidant, vitamin C, and other minerals. So drinking this tea will help to aid digestion, relieve pain, improve your skin complexion, hair, and control allergy, cold and flu, boost your immunity. This tea will help to fight inflammation and also good for controlling diabetes and also good if you want to lose weight. So I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. So if you are looking for a healthy way to improve your health, try neem leaf. This is a great way to start your day. Enjoy this and all the health benefits.